National Weather Service in Lubbock, Texas has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Kent County in northwestern Texas, southwestern Dickens County in northwestern Texas, northeastern Garza County in northwestern Texas, southeastern Crosby County in northwestern Texas, until 8 p.m. At 7:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 5 miles southeast of Calgary, or 9 miles south of White River Lake, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and golf ball size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northwestern Kent, southwestern Dickens, northeastern Garza and southeastern Crosby counties. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.